Relief materials comprising food and essential items from the National Emergency Management Agency, facilitated by the Senator representing Nasarawa South Senatorial Zone, Mohammed Ogushionao. The items are shared to constituents in communities affected by a windstorm early in the year. Representatives of each of the communities receive the items for onward distribution geared towards cushioning their plights. 450 vulnerable persons comprising widows and persons living with disabilities selected from the 5 local government areas of the zone are screened for an empowerment program. A 30 million naira cash grant is disbursed to the selected beneficiaries. 250 widows get 80,000 naira and 200 persons living with disabilities get 50,000 naira each.
We know that we are being elected to go and make laws, but these laws are to enable our people live well, and we can only enhance that effort by coming personally to be of help to them. And that is why at this time we have chosen 250 widows and 200 disabled persons.
The gesture, he assures, is not a one-off, noting that more groups will be considered in the next batches, which are underway as beneficiaries share their mode of utilizing the monies.
There are so many other projects that are in the pipeline: empowerment, training programs, provision of infrastructures, and all of this are encompassed into what we term as constituency project.
I got the money. He gave me 50,000 naira and others. I will use it to open a business. Since I'm learning how to be a tailor, I'd like to use the money to get a sewing machine.
The Nasarawa South Senatorial Zone comprises of Awai, Kiana, Doma, Obi, and Lafia local government areas. Halima Agayem, Channel Television News.